guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the PUMA RS-FAST Nanos. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today, we've got a look at the PUMA RS-FAST Nanos, and we got this in the UK size 7.5. It's European 41 and it's US 8.5. And there we go. Here, look, these are really dope sneakers. We've done tons of RS or running system Puma sneakers in the past, so if you get a second, check those reviews out. I love the feel, very retro vibe, early 2000s with the colorway, the shape, quite chunky, and we'll get into all this details and why I like these sneakers in a moment, but we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole, a lot of traction patterning here, and you can see this little block where it says running system, which the RS in the Puma RS means. Moving along to the midsole unit, so essentially it is a riding system. It's there, it's designed for running. It's there to give you a smooth ride in every step that you take. And the midsole unit is made out of polyurethane. Again, it's there to incorporate, you get your smooth ride and comfortable steps in. Moving along to the upper, so you've got a variety of materials that makes the upper. You've got tons of synthetic leathers and your meshes as well. So if you look at that toe box, you can see the mesh right there. There too, what's the nylon? And where the white leather bits, well, it is synthetic leather, so this is all fake leather. You can see it there. And you've got black strips of synthetic leathers too. Right there in the medial and the lateral side, you got your nylons, and you got on the lateral side, you've got the Puma cat logo, iconic. Looking at the tongue and the lacing system, so you got round laces, very foamed and comfortable tongue. See it there. And I love the accents of turquoise, this really light blue, and you can see it on the tongue as well. Again, nicely padded. Looking at the heel, so you got a plastic heel clip, and you got the R system right there, it's shown on the heel of the sneaker. Very subtle, but again, if we look at the midsole unit again, you can see the Puma stripe or the Puma strip. Where you can find it in all the classic Puma sneakers. Again, let's look at the heel. So you got a pull tab with the Puma logo. Again, you can see that cushioning, really great. Essentially, it's a booty construction, easy for you to get your feet in and out. And you got a very nicely padded insole as well with the RS system right there. Again, guys, we've done tons of Puma RS reviews in the past. I like this colorway, it reminds me of Charlotte Hornets. So again, with the running systems, what Puma are doing with these sneakers is that they're incorporating all this vintage, nostalgic colors and constructions here. You can see it's very reminiscent of the early 2000s. So if it's anything like the RS sneakers that we've done in the past, I can't wait to try these Fast Nanos on. So roll that footage of me trying on the Puma Fast Nanos. comes to fit, guys, I suggest that you get your true to size Puma fit. These 7.5s fit like a glove. My toes are where they need to be. These are really comfy. Personally, I wouldn't run in these. I wouldn't try and do like long distance running. However, if I'm going for casual walks, maybe like run, maybe, I thoroughly recommend these. They look great on. Easy price point. What more do you want? Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. If you're wondering what trousers I'm wearing the JW Anderson Uniqlo cargo trousers. All that said, again, thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz. What is at the end. Until next time, peace.